Hey guys, so today we're gonna try a Dairy Queen Blizzard with all the flavors and all the candy.
All the candy, all the strawberries and fruits and bananas.
And the chocolate and
everything in
candy. But we're not going to our local Dairy Queen just in case they spit on our food for 10 years.
And by local, it's literally right down the road from the other one.
But that's okay.
Yep,
So,
because we don't eat at that one.
So, see ya.
Okay, we're outside now. We're about to head to Dairy Queen. And this is a keychain from one of our other videos.
Why does it smell dank in here? Boys, I'm excited to try the Frankenblizzard because it has so many flavors in one. Okay, so to reiterate, my favorite Blizzard flavor is s'mores. He doesn't have one. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Chocolate? Oh, no, cookie dough.
Yeah,
It's
but
cookie dough.
I would say if I had to pick a Blizzard, I would either go with the cookie dough or I would go with the cotton candy. We're gonna add that with like music over it. You got this on film?
No.
They would say, challenge accepted. Here's everything in the store.
What if they just say no? What do we do? Drive off.
We go to the next one. We keep it pushing. Because that's just how we do.
This is how we roll.
Well, I wouldn't have come here if I knew the line was going to be this long. Myself in the perspective of having. I'd look right at you like, hey, why are you filming me? I thought I was just
We're
giving
not
you.
filming them.
I thought I was just
We're not
giving.
filming them.
I thought I was
We're
just
not
giving you my
filming them.
Blizzard.
Ew. Why did it sound like you were gonna spit up?
Because I am.
The cops are going to fucking arrest us.
I want ice cream in that bitch. I just
Say it
want-
like it's a Dairy Queen secret menu item. I'll have the wink wink. I'll have the Frankenblizzard. Stop. Make a smile face. No, let the others.
Thanks for choosing Dairy Queen. Go ahead with your order when you're ready.
Yeah, would it be possible to make a large Blizzard with every combination of topping you guys have? Sort of like a Frankenblizzard?
I mean, I have no idea. I've never tried to do that.
It doesn't matter the cost, it's just, can we...
Like just as many like ice creams and toppings. They don't have to go well together as you guys can just like put in one. It doesn't have to be every single one.
Yeah, just everything that you can jam into one Blizzard.
Okay, so you want a large, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
You want Butterfinger?
Anything.
Everything
Free reign.
you got, just slap it in
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, free reign for you guys.
You want marshmallow in it?
Yep.
I'm trying to look and see what I got and don't got. You want peanut butter in it?
Yep.
Reese cups?
Yeah.
Pecans?
Mhm.
Snickers? 1868 at the first window.
Okay, thank you.
That's not as bad as I was thinking it was going to be.
So, I'm not gonna lie, when we first got there, she seemed a little sad, but I think us ordering the Frankenblizzard made her feel a little bit better.
Really put her in a...
Okay, I'm not gonna film because I don't want her to think we're like. Stop looking at the camera. You know what? Maybe you made their day a little bit more fun. Stop. Lean back.
This guy's on his last straw.
Right
He's
here,
done.
it's like he's supposed to leave 5 minutes ago.
Oh, hey, and Jerry, don't clock out. until
Just
you
make that one last
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Hey, man, it's just one Blizzard.
Blizzard?
Can you just go ahead and make it before you clock out? Getting your leg.
Shoot, I was getting like. That's good.
Where are you actually getting your leg? Only? Put like a little basket credit loading screen. Yeah. Some interruptions.
We have secured the Frankenblizzard. It's very runny, kind of, and Here it is. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look that disgusting. Let's see. Let me get a close-up. I'll show you close. Here it is. After getting a closer look, it kind of looks like disgusting concrete.
No,
I see, at first glance,
delicious.
I see yellow, orange.
I see M&Ms. That's all I see in there.
Oh, God. I see something that's red.
Give me that orange cream shake. What?
So we're going to go find a place and try it. I'm kind of scared.
Anyway, we're back with it. And it's really runny because there's... All right, give us 1 second.
Yeah, 1 second, guys. So we moved back in. Oh wait. So we moved back inside.
Because
so that
it poured
it's
everywhere.
yeah, it's spreading poured over the car. Okay, so we're gonna try it now. Here it is. Yep.
Why don't they put the Superman stuff in it?
Go.
I have to go first?
I'm not doing it first. Wait, let me get a close up of you eating it. Absolute concrete. Okay, how is it?
Obviously crunchy.
What flavor notes are you getting from this?
Definitely peanut butter.
Now it's my turn to eat it. It smells like peanut butter.
And you thought it was so easy to describe.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
It does not taste like peanut butter to me.
What does it taste like to you?
Cheesecake and marshmallow. It tastes so like thick with flavor because there's so many flavors in it.
I keep getting one consistent flavor over and over.
Peanut butter.
No, this time it was Oreo. Okay, well, I think I'm done with this. And it's time we donate it to charity.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the nearest park and give this to the kids.
But we're not going to show you that part. No. We're back in the car. We did not like it.
No, it was actually like intolerably disgusting. It was so flavorful, but I did not. It was supposed to have a lot in it. We should have looked on their seat, but I didn't taste a lot of any of the things.
Mm-mm.
It was mostly peanut butter.
Yeah, I think they just drizzled that bitch in peanut butter. And then gave it to us.
And M&Ms. Because we've seen physical evidence of M&Ms.
Well, there was pink in there too, so there had to be at least sprinkles. So I think that they threw maybe half of it in there, but couldn't fit all of it. Just a suspicion.
Yeah.
But, yeah, if you want to spend 20-something bucks on
Get
that.
it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll enjoy it more than we did.
Yeah.
And more than the workers did.
Yeah.
Anyway, bye.